count the intercostal space. Here is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yeah, fourth, fifth intercostal space. Intercostal space. Значит, what is this? No.
Status.
What is this? What? Not stethoscope. Not phonendoscope. Stethophoneendoscope. Stethophoneendoscope. Membrane is stethoscope, bell is phonendoscope. Which membrane will we use? Bell. То есть we use phonendoscope. Remember, the stethoscope we use for high frequency sounds, it's usually hearts and big vessels. Bell or phonendoscope we use for low frequency sounds, it's heart intestines usually. So we use phonendoscope. Значит, how to do? We perform auscultation in each point. We begin after this, we ask patient, please hold the breath for 5 seconds. Listen to 3 cycles, please breathe. The same we repeat in all points. Значит, second intercostal space right near the sternum. Please stop the breath. Breathe. You understand? I don't listen. I'm not listening. I don't put on because I'm talking with you. Of course, when you will do auscultation, you are obliged to put on ear tips. Because maybe you will copy my action fully and you will forget to put on the ear tips. It's because I'm talking with you. The same we do in third intercostal space, on fourth, second intercostal space, third point, pulmonary artery valve projection. After this place of fixation of Xiphoros process, it's tricuspid valve. Actually, you can, if you have bad audity here, you can displace it in each side for 1-2 cm. So it's like this. Here is possible. Here is approximate projection for tricuspid valve. And finally, Botkin air point. Значит, first intercostal space from a left edge of sternum. Значит, fifth point once again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Значит, each time when you auscultate each valve, ask patient to stop the breathing. Especially because if patient has emphysema, if patient has COPD, maybe patient has lung abscess, it can pervert your auscultative picture of heart. Especially if patient also obese, because it will be very significant diminution. You can confuse what tones do you, what sounds do you listen. This is basic. What additional moments do we have? In auscultation of mitral valve, we must normal posture is staying for auscultation, but you begin your auscultation from mitral valve and you hear some abnormalities. Hard to say what is this. More systolic click opening sound. We don't know how to understand that it's exactly mitral valve. You continue your auscultation along the fifth rib to axillary area. We remember that most of mitral valve defects, murmurs conduct to this area. Also, we ask patient to bend for a bit, and exhale and stop the breathing. Stop. By this, heart will be closer to chest, and all sounds will be increased. Actually, this is for mitral valve. What else for mitral valve? Put on your bag. How will you pose? This can be proper. Most of mitral defects have been better audible in position on left side. So again, we do our auscultation and displace our membrane as possible to axillary area. We bend patient on left side and do this auscultation this position, for instance. What else? What else? What else? If we continue our auscultation and we hear some abnormalities on aortic well, right here we compare with Botkin error. But what does it mean? You must not do it regularly from second to fifth. You must do it gradually. So it's gradual displacement of your phonendoscope by this direction to Botkin error. Clear? It's not like this. If you hear something abnormal in this point, you slowly move your phonendoscope to Botkin error. And each time you auscultate how far does this murmur conduct? How far does this murmur conduct? What else? What else? The same. If patient has abnormality on aortic valve, you must obligatory auscultate the main point and compare with auscultation of carotid artery. Because all sounds have been conducted. We hear this on the laptop. Yes, all sounds will be conducted. What else? What else? As I say, during the auscultation, to understand what phase is this, do simultaneous palpation of carotid artery. And carotid beat will compare with this one. As you will understand where this is now. Also possible moment, compare with peripheral pulse. Compare with peripheral pulse, in which case, if patient has pulse deficit, for example, in atrial fibrillation, when patient has abnormal contraction of atriums, and some of them provoke, do not provoke pulse wave. For example, you auscultate and compare, you see, you hear this beat and this beat, this here, and suddenly here you feel beat, here is nothing. It will be pulse deficit. You count number of this absent wave per minute and say pulse deficit is 6, 7, 10 per minute. And actually, this is the main auscultative moments which you must remember. Actually, nothing to show here. It's only idea to auscultate a real patient with valve defects. So my task is to show it. Once again, remember what might have to remember: mitral, aortic, lung, tricuspid, and finally Botkin error. Clear? No, actually, it's pretty simple.